Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Noah's house. And as you guys may have noticed, we're not outside in the garden or the woods or the compost because it's pouring down rain. It's kind of mid-December, and I was thinking, what can I do today? Because this interests me doing this. I started this channel at Noah's house because, well, I was inspired by a lot of different people, and I'll leave their links in the description. Gardening people, pipe people, woodsy building stuff people. But I didn't want to do it wasn't just a gardening channel because, well, I'm not that great of a gardener, and we hit wintertime where there's not really much going on. I'm not sure if you can hear that squeaking, but my house is kind of squeaky. As you can see, I am in my workshop area. It was actually used to be our garage, but we changed it around and I built this workshop over the last 20 years. And as you can see, it is an utter disaster because I just get like that sometimes. I get involved in projects and doing things, and then I'll come down and I'll take these and I'll just throw them on the bench. And I'll take this and I'll throw it on the bench. And this bench right here, I was inspired by Paul Sellers from England. He redoes hand planes, all handwork. He doesn't use really any power tools. And he built one that was extremely better than this. But I did build this a few years back. Under his inspiration, I used a lot of his techniques, and I really enjoyed it. It's the first time I'm doing a video like this inside. I've got my tripod set up. You'll notice I do not have my microphone because it broke. Used it one time and there's a sync issue, there's something going on. I don't know. Contacted Amazon today, which was me, saying, hey, can I return this? And they said, yeah, no problem. So it will be getting dropped off to get returned, and a new one is being sent out. So that's cool. Hopefully when I get the new one, it works, pretty smashingly. But I'm all good. But one thing I am into that I want to do today is I smoke a pipe, and I like to collect pipes. I actually just got this one last week from a guy on Instagram in Canada who refurbishes estate pipes, older pipes. And I will leave a link to his Instagram down below. I love it, down below, so everybody can check it out. And if you're into pipes and really want some nice pipes at a really great price, shipping, everything was good. And he just does this on the side. Brigham Pipes Reborn. I don't even know if that's how you really say Brigham. It's a pipe that used to be made in Canada. It's now made overseas in France, I do believe. But I got 3 pipes off of him, and I'm looking at 2 more. And he has all kinds of, not just Brigham pipes. This is a ROPP, R-O-P-P. I don't know if you can see that, focusing. They are a French company. This is not a briarwood, this is a rosewood. And what I have on the paper today is something I buy in bulk and I like. And first off, I want to premise this video by saying I do not condone anyone in the use of tobacco or tobacco products. If you're over 18, wait, is it 21 now? It should be 18. That's a whole thing. And you indulge in tobacco products, that's on you. Not on me. I didn't make you do it. I didn't make anybody do it. And also, another disclaimer, I don't really know all that much about pipes. I've been smoking pipes for a few years. I've been smoking cigars for a long time. My dad smoked cigars, and although I smoke better cigars than he smoked. So, cigars a long time, and then a few years back, I just was like, I'm gonna smoke a pipe. And I always used to make fun of, like, how old do you have to be to smoke a pipe? Apparently, for me, it was my late 40s. But for the last couple years, I've been collecting pipes, smoking pipes, and it's so cool because there's so many different types of pipes and types of tobaccos. That could be a whole other video. But today I'm smoking one of my favorites, and if some serious pipe people watch this, don't get on what I'm smoking. I have a huge collection of tobaccos. Not a lot of aromatics, but some. Bunch of different Englishes. I do tend to like really strong Perique based. In fact, I like to smoke straight Perique. And I just got this rope tobacco from Allegheny Smokeworks. Yeah, it's local around Pittsburgh. It's in Oakmont. But today what I have going on is some Cornell and Deal Espresso. I don't even know if you can see that. But I buy this in bulk. I don't even think they sell it in a tin. I don't know why you would. Out of this nice rosewood pipe. And I like this pipe. It actually has, should do a little bit of background on it. I didn't get much background. But it's older and I like it. It's kind of my outside pipe is what it's turning into. And I really dig it for that. And this espresso has been sitting on this piece of paper probably pushing an hour. And it does come kind of wet. But this is probably one of easiest smoking aromatic type. We don't have a lot of pipe shops where I live outside of Pittsburgh, but we do have a few. And Allegheny Smokeworks, Smokeworks, I think. I was just there the other day. I've only ever purchased cigars there, and super impressed with the pipe stuff they have. They don't have a ton, nobody does. But the guy who works there, which this is on me, I totally didn't get his name, was very knowledgeable. Even gave me just a smidge of Cornell and Deal House Reserve that he had left and was like, here, just give it a try. It was incredible, but you can't get it anywhere. So basically, it's just a little chat. Tell you what I'm up to today. I got this nice lighter on Amazon. I did look for a name. It doesn't have a name, it's just Amazon. Oh, that's awesome. I really like the espresso. It's easy going. Something in the morning. Good night. I got that rope tobacco. It's amazing, but that's an after dinner. It's wow. I have to do a review on it and how I chopped it up with a cleaver. Yeah, I've watched 10 million videos how to smoke a pipe and how to light them, and the char light and this light, and don't get the flame too close to the blah 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 blah. But I watched. I gotta make a list of everybody I'm talking about. The Pilgrim. I will leave a link to his YouTube. And I was watching a video of his today, and he was like, "Who cares? Just whatever makes you happy. Smoke it how you like it. You know. Oh, and also a cup of coffee." You know, do what you want to do. If you find something that works for you, he was doing a review on lighters, and he uses a torch lighter to light his pipe, which is a huge, don't do that, you'll burn out your pipe. And he was like, I don't care, I don't think so. So, I like his channel. Okay, well, and MuttnChopPiper, I mean. If you smoke a pipe and you have a YouTube account and you don't know who MuttnChopPiper is, just shut the video off and go do something else. I'm kidding. But anyways, I could sit here forever and just talk, which my daughter's probably like on the other side of the door shaking her head going, my dad is so embarrassing. He's down there talking to himself. I cannot get this going. I don't know. I do like to use matches a lot of times. Somebody's probably going to comment. And please, comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. I probably didn't let it sit out long enough, or let it sit too long, or I shouldn't be smoking something called espresso because it has too much casing or topping, or the pipe's wrong. How I'm smoking is wrong. But There it goes. But please, by all means, comment, like, subscribe. But that's what's going on at Noah's house on this rainy day. I am going to clean my area. I cleaned what was behind you last week when it was some yuck weather. And yeah. This week, since it's raining, I'm going to have a pipe, a cup of coffee, and I'm going to clean up, put things back to where they go. Except for over there, because that's a hoist I'm trying to rebuild, and I'm waiting on some clutch parts for it, which were back ordered, and I'm not supposed to get until February, which when I get them in February, I'm probably going to forget how to put the hoist back together. But it's worth a try. A few dollar parts. Anyways, that's what's going on at Noah's house. Like I said, please like, subscribe, share the video around. I'm going to put this in its own category of pipes. And also, I'll have another category coming up soon. I got a couple things going on that I'm going to do with my channel, and I hope some people subscribe and like. Well, hey, have a pipe, relax, a cup of coffee, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I gotta quit doing that. See ya.